guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be a new system test, system test 58. But today's system test will be quite interesting because it's a fire alarm fail system test. I feel like I've seen this, and I have no idea who did it, but I feel like I've seen it before. So if you're the one who made this series originally, thank you for the idea. But I just decided to do this. So, let's start. So, first fire alarm fail, or our pull station. As you can see, we have a Kitty 270 SPO, but it's mounted sideways. Going up above the panel, we have my low frequency sounder mounted upside down. Nothing I can do with the smoke detector. I mean, I could take it off the base and give the panel a trouble, but I don't want to do that. And then over the window, we have an integrity that does not have any sort of cover. So, yeah, that's my fire alarm fail. System test, I guess, or not system test, the setup. So, before I pull this, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, that's a crime, and don't watch if you can get epilepsy from strobe lights. Alright, let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're going to test our smoke detector. Alright, so 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much. This next system test, I think you guys will like it. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.